Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual. Got a little bit of a sea of green in the cryptocurrency space among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Everything outside of the top 10 is kind of either up or down a few percentage points. Nothing crazy going on, but I know I say this a lot, but I think cryptocurrency is preparing for a big move here. Sorry about the little quick Bitcoin burst ramp we got going on right here. I have a current trade on Bitcoin right now, and I've been monitoring this little formation on the 1 hour. And you have gradual higher lows along this curve. And then, oh my God, this just developed while I was asleep. But dude, now you got this super tight uptrending consolidation up to this resistance zone. And this resistance zone has been tapped many times. I remember learning that the more a resistance zone is touched, the weaker it becomes, theoretically. Used to be old support, broke down, got touched there. I'd say that's a second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh. It's going to go for the eighth touch. And it's got this nice burst ramp going on right here. And I do have a trade on Bitcoin right now. And I believe if I'm actually going to check my profit and loss at the moment, I am currently up, $14. That's pretty much nothing, but it was down like $80 at one point when it came down to here. But guys, Bitcoin's setting up for a burst, man. There's no denying it. Even after the consolidation down below 20K, the volume's ramping up. All those green candles, green volume candles are, getting really tightly packed. Bro, and I am thinking Bitcoin is going to come up and fill some of these gaps up here. So I'm honestly going to say Bitcoin to at least 25,500 probably in a few days. It's got to be happening, and I believe the breakout will begin today because just look at this entire just beautiful formation right here, and you have this gigantic gap from 30K to 23K, and dude, the market's going to go there and it's going to freaking grab that liquidity. So basically, for my trade, my stop loss is down here, so I'm pretty much max loss 260. If I end up being right on this move, I'll be pocketing $900 after trading fees. And then the funny thing is, XRP is copying that same exact movement here. Not going to, spend too much time getting it perfect, but you get the point here. And XRP's got gaps all the way up here, 40-cent range. Dude, the major gap that's going to be filled is this one right there, the 40-50 up to 60 cents. Guys, you guys know what happens when we get these complete just, like elevator down crashes. You're going to get that same elevator up counter pressure, like the counter action, like cause and effect, dude. I've seen it too many times, man. All right, so guys, keep an eye on that. So first thing we're going to talk about today, I saw this on Twitter. This honestly blew my mind. You guys know the gas price is getting crazy, especially over in California. U.S. allies discuss capping Russian oil at $40 to $60. I have no idea, how that even works. I don't understand how that even works, but they're coming in with these price caps now, which U.S. allies, okay, great, you can discuss capping Russian oil, but how does that make any sense? Like this random guy says, and what happens when Putin says no? Like, how do you, as the buyer of oil, say, okay, we're going to cap it at this, and Putin can just say no? Weird stuff going on, guys. We're definitely living in some weird times. Guys, here is something I know this is from a few months ago, but it is coming up on Twitter today. So, Ripple partner company, The Clearing House, is working with Wells Fargo to challenge the dominance of SWIFT with a new instantaneous payment system. As you guys know, okay, accept cookies, whatever, I'll take them. Ashish Birla, who has recently departed Ripple, he actually was at a panel conference talking about how they did sit down with Wells Fargo and discuss business with him. That video clip is out there, and it is real. So the Clearing House, a known Ripple partner company, is working with Wells Fargo on a cross-border payment system. Wells Fargo, I'm pretty sure, is the third largest bank in the United States. I believe number 1, JP Morgan, number 2, Bank of America, and then 3 or 4 is Wells Fargo. Okay. They're working with Wells Fargo on a cross-border payment system specifically designed to support digital commerce that would potentially replace SWIFT. The system, known as a real-time payment service, we've heard of it before with, the Federal Reserve and the Real Faster Payments Task Force, okay, would facilitate the real-time transfer of digital currency between eligible accounts at Wells Fargo. A new Wells Fargo online service agreement has been shared online that details how this project could directly challenge SWIFT's dominance. Huge XRP news. Earlier, I posted a video about a guy who revealed that Wells Fargo has been training on a SWIFT replacement. Now I got an online service agreement update from Wells Fargo talking about real-time payments by Clearinghouse. Uses the real-time payments network operated by a third party, the Clearinghouse, Ripple partner. When you send a payment using the RTP service, you authorize us to deduct the amount of the payment from your account immediately. Immediately. And then the funds will typically be made available to the payee within seconds. Yeah. What does that sound like, guys? Something starting with X and ending in RP. Okay. That's just my best guess, dude. 24 hours a day, including weekends and holidays. That sounds exactly like the XRP ledger. That does not sound like some government-created CBDC. That's just not how it works, man. Like, look, these governments all around the world, these central banks, they can create their own, like, digital currency, and yeah, that's all great, but if you're creating a fiat currency, but just making it digital, you're back to square one with the walled garden. You need the neutral bridge asset, which is what I think is being, talked about here. After it is sent, a real-time payment cannot be canceled or amended. Kind of like starts with RNs and IPL. Okay, you can request that a payee return the fund to you, but the payee is not required to return the funds even if you entered the incorrect amount, sent a payment to the wrong payee, or did not receive goods or services from the payee as expected. Guys, that's XRP. Clearly, Wells Fargo and the Clearinghouse. Great stuff going on there. Amazing. The Clearinghouse stated that the RTP service is specifically designed for the digital on-the-go way we live and work today. In particular, unlike rival payment systems, the RTP system includes real-time postings, immediate confirmation, and a secure two-way messaging service. Transfers will be immediate and final, offering maximum control to the account holders, just like cash. Amazing. Nonetheless, at the moment, it seems that the RTP service will be heavily restricted at Wells Fargo with a $5,000 single payment cap because the XRP liquidity is not, where it needs to be. That's why. Okay. So it's heavily restricted at a $5,000 single payment cap, despite the Clearinghouse stating elsewhere that its system works within a $100,000 credit transfer limit. This is, again, because of varying XRP liquidity. We bring XRP to that next generation of price action and liquidity, such as $10, $15 a coin, then you get the payment caps upped. All right. Next one today, guys. Great point by Ben Armstrong here. Companies SEC Gov and Dirty Gary Gensler should have gone after. Celsius, halting withdrawals and I think insolvent. Voyager filed for bankruptcy as of yesterday. Company they went after, Ripple Labs. Are you seeing the problem here? The funny thing is that their whole point of existence is to protect investors and to protect retail consumers. But then I like this guy right here, Mikkel XRP. He makes an amazing point. Going to drop a like on that one. Ben, even worse is the fact that Ripple does not have any retail-focused products. Who is the SEC protecting? All right. Did the SEC ever go after Celsius, Voyager, or the Three Arrow Capital, or any of the, numerous companies that are like incredibly in deep insolvency trouble right now because of the state of the cryptocurrency market, and more specifically, the collapse of Luna? It's hilarious how these retail-focused businesses in cryptocurrency, who are like literally all of their clients are just retail consumers, average Joe investors, right? But that's not who they go after, though. They go after Ripple Labs, who does not have anything to offer to retail consumers, except for that, insane little thing we like to call XRP, which I don't even know how the hell we're even allowed to buy this thing, considering who they're working with, right? It seems like with something this crazy, this too good to be true, that it would be like a close it off thing, or a oh god, what's that thing that's called where like if you try to buy shares of Ripple, you have to be an accredited investor. I'm surprised XRP, like with Ripple and all their banking connections, how they didn't lock down XRP to be some sort of like accredited investor investment, but it's just open to retail, right? Pretty funny. That's what the SEC decides to go after. Guys, XRP Crow on Twitter, statement from 2020. Ripple XRP is a clear winner in the cross-border space. Zoe Cruz, ex-co-president of Morgan Stanley. And I believe Morgan Stanley is below Goldman Sachs or Bank of America. I'm pretty sure Morgan, guys, fact check me in the comments below. I'm pretty sure Morgan Stanley is below a Bank of America. Or is it Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan? Dude, I can't remember, dude. There is so much crazy information in this space. It's hard to remember everything. But look at this. Ex-co-president Morgan Stanley. XRP is used as a bridge currency that solves a multi-trillion-dollar problem. Ripple XRP is a clear winner in the cross-border space. Guys, banking monetary reset, whole international banking payment system on XRP. Make sure, guys, do smash the likes, subscribe, check the links in the description. If you do want to support the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.